Francis Dolores Salazar. Rene Emmanuel de Jesus, our prom queen.
Prom queen siya.
Aluin na sana si Rene.
Awa, doon o.
Kini ito pero.
Ay, liwa. May buktot siya pa yung asawa.
Apin! Leme!
Marap yun.
Oo, apin! Leme! Salda mo. Sana sa... Huwag yung magkay. Taba, alina.
Nagsabi ang di ba? Sabay? Photo interviewan tayo.
And to award our prom queen, may we request Dr. Connie P. Passion once again.
Dahil mo maging close kasi. Pero buri.
And our prom queen, Patricia Dabu.
Wow! Hara! Hara! Lampa mo!
Once again, our prom king, Rene Emmanuel de Jesus, and our prom queen, Patricia Dabu.
Lenmi, yung makasabit kay gamat ng pahat. Wala! Yung lalaki makasabit kay gamat. Lenmi, yung makasabit. Kalalaki ng tao. Ba't? Di ka palang lalaki.
Thank you. And before we end the program,
Baliktad yung gamat.
we request Miss Patricia Dabu for her response.
Pa-picture ako. Uy!
Our prom queen,
Pat! Pat, response mo. I'm so happy. Thank you. Aro! Kumyak na ini. Aro! Kumyak na ini. Kumyak na ini.
Patricia Dabu for her response. Our prom queen.
Yatang baludo. Baludan natang ni Holly.
Teachers,
guests, promenaders, once again, delivering to all of us event. I would like to thank on behalf of the juniors and seniors, the teachers for their everlasting support, and for without them, this prom would not be successful, and for the parents, for their unwavering love and care for all of us, and for being here tonight to witness the most memorable event of our high school life. I would like to take this opportunity to thank, in the behalf of the officers, the promenaders for their effort that you've shown in these past few weeks in order to us a wonderful